Hello. In this video, I will be discussing how to handle the element click intercepted exception. I will be explaining two examples, like two test cases. The second one is a real life issue that I faced in my project and was able to resolve. In my first test case, I will be using JavaScript Executor, and JavaScript Executor can be used when there is, for example, a drop-down suggestion list blocking the element which we want to interact with. And when using JavaScript, it will be perform hard click on this element. Like here, I'm using Google. Uh, Here, I will be using the Google application. As you see my screen, my test case is enter any word, and I need to click this Google search after that. But as soon as I try to enter any word, like anything, see it's like it is displaying the auto suggestion drop down list and covering the like Google search button. When the code will try to click on it, it will give us the error like element click intercepted. It's not clickable at a point, and other element would receive it. So to resolve this issue, and we will be using JavaScript executors, and this JavaScript executor click this Google search button forcefully. So I have written the code already. So I will run this code first without JavaScript, and I will show you the exception. So here just I need to explain before running this code. Let me explain. Simple, I'm just opening this applications, maximizing the windows and using implicit wait. Here I just use this export and entering the using some keys. I'm entering the this JavaScript executors word, and then trying to click on it. Here, this is the one. Maximizing windows, and here you go. Element click intercepted element, and all along with this is not clickable at the point other element would have received it. So to resolve this issue, here we are using JavaScript. Let me just remove that. Which will click this element forcefully. So I'm going to run this code now using the JavaScript, and this time it should click successfully. Oh, sorry. I need to comment out this line. See, it's clicked. clicked and it's going to close the browser. It's closed. So we at this time we did not receive this issue. So this is the one way. So that's JavaScript executor is useful where like you have to forcefully click anything. And now I'm going to explain a second scenario. And this scenario, it's like a real-time issue which I faced, and then how I'm going to explain how I resolve this. So I would not be sharing the application like I'm not supposed to share. So, but I took the screenshot of my application, and I will be sharing this with you, and I will be explained now. So in this, like in my second scenario, I was facing the issue where I was clicking a link, and the link was downloading thousands of records and was taking a lot of time. I was using the element to be clickable method because once it's downloaded, it has to click this close button. So what was happening around this 99%? So Selenium was reading this button clickable and it was clicking it. And due to this click, I was receiving the exceptions, the same exceptions. And exactly the exception was this. This class and the other element would have received, and this is the one I actually received that. So to resolve this issue, along with this element to be clickable method, I use action class, and then I use this method move to the element. So what happened, like using this element, so what was happening first, it was waiting to element to be clickable. So what it was like, this method was done. The second method move to the this move to element, it was moving this cursors to a test specific element, and it of course it was Selenium was waiting until it's moved to that specific element. So these two methods literally resolve the issues. So and I was able to click on this element successfully and no issues. So for me, these both method work, and so try out both methods together and see it work for you guys as well. So if my video was helpful, then like, subscribe and share. Thank you.